Welcome, in front of me is OPPO Reno 14 5G, and in this video I will show you how to change DPI settings on the smartphone. So to change your DPI settings you have to first open settings menu, then scroll down to display and brightness section, open it, and then scroll down to font and display size settings. Now in font settings you can change the font on your phone by choosing one of the default ones or going for more by clicking more right here. Then you can change the font size by moving this slider to the right to increase the size of your font, or change the font weight by moving this slider. In some cases this second option isn't available for some other fonts. That you can also enable adaptive font weight if you switch this toggle to the right, and you can click apply once you're happy with your result. In display size section you can switch between large, standard and small display sizes, and once you select the option that you like the most, the changes will be applied automatically. And that's how you change DPI settings on your smartphone. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.